196 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Price: 15,750美元. Location: Oklahoma. The 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible stands as one of the most iconic luxury automobiles ever produced in America. Finished in its original factory sable black paint and complemented by a stunning dark red interior, this classic cruiser instantly captures attention wherever it goes. At a time when American manufacturers were building some of the largest and most comfortable automobiles in history, the Eldorado represented the very best Cadillac had to offer. The first thing that makes this Cadillac special is its massive 500 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary power plant was designed to deliver effortless torque and smooth highway performance, rather than aggressive sports car speed. Paired with an automatic transmission, the Eldorado glides down the road with the confidence and comfort expected from a premium luxury vehicle. Whether cruising through town or traveling long distances, the driving experience remains remarkably relaxing and enjoyable. The exterior styling perfectly reflects the bold design philosophy of the mid-1970s. The long hood, sweeping body lines, chrome bumpers, and elegant convertible roof create a presence that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Every angle showcases classic American automotive craftsmanship, while the original style 15-inch steel wheels with Cadillac hubcaps preserve the authentic appearance collectors admire today. The interior was designed to provide first-class comfort for both driver and passengers. Plush power-adjustable front seats, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and an AM/FM radio create an environment that feels luxurious even by modern standards. Cadillac engineers focused heavily on comfort, and it shows in every detail, from the spacious cabin to the smooth ride quality that made these cars famous across North America. The Eldorado was also ahead of its time in several important ways. This generation became one of the first full-size American luxury cars to feature four-wheel disc brakes as standard equipment. Combined with power steering and Cadillac's advanced engineering, these features help deliver a confident and refined driving experience. At a time when many vehicles still relied on older technology, Cadillac was pushing luxury and innovation forward. The significance of the 1976 model year cannot be overstated. Many enthusiasts remember it as the final year of Cadillac's traditional full-size convertible production, making surviving examples especially desirable among collectors. Because of this historical importance, the 1976 Eldorado remains one of the most recognizable luxury convertibles ever produced and continues to attract attention at car shows, auctions, and classic car events around the world. The condition of this example reflects a vehicle that has been enjoyed throughout its life while remaining mechanically sound.